Hey guys, today we have an RA 6100 stereo that I found on the marketplace. This unit's from like 78 or 79. For its time, it was really great. Something you could find at like department stores like Kmart. It's pretty cool. The dash light bulb is messed up. I need to pick up another one. But this unit actually works. Tuner, AM radio don't have much on it anymore, just a little bit of this and that. So I got a CD player hooked up to it. And see how this goes. And let's see, tuner. This unit had loudness control, speakers A, B, you turn them all. Of course I got it hooked up to speakers B. Microphone, this is your power button. Volume with the notches in it when you turn it. Balance, yes, I took some contact cleaner to these pots. Very easy to do on this unit. It all works pretty good to set up light, and if you can see or not, but you can see in there right there. Kind of hard to say. Hold on just a second. We'll get you some light on this. Somebody's been in here and they have completely removed the FM stereo indicator. Can you see that? No wiring or nothing. Hope you enjoyed this video. This unit had a whole lot of connections on it. I'll turn it around here for you so you can see what it had on this unit. Hopefully you guys can see this well. See, you had a tape monitor, you had a phono, tape in, tape out. And here's your speaker connections. I did not like these at all because you got to be real careful with the wires connecting. And there's your fuse box for your left and right channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. God bless. Hey ladies and gentlemen, today we have an RA 6100 Panasonic integrated receiver. And if you ever have the problem with your light, it's not working, you can purchase the new bulb for it at your AutoZone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a nice day.